Mm.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gorebox Air Force Military I just approximately 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Multiple reports of the 61,000 deaths has been spotted in the sky destroying the tower. 66 people are injured, 900 people were killed. The result was 966 people. Anybody who's 15 feet away from the tower done. Go to the tower, the fire will burn you alive and kill you. This is a serious dangerous event occurred at the center town left of the country. It's been report those missiles were from the people. They'll work to make D-1000s for 50 years. It has been occupied, and lots of areas of this country. Everyone shall be in their shelters. Stay tuned of this dangerous situation. Plus this is unsurvivable, and you and everyone in Gorebox City.